No.
Okay. No, you should be in the middle. And I can talk about my...
But I look so short.
I have flats
I'm
on.
short.
Oh yeah, you are
Yeah,
short.
she's
You are
short.
short.
I could go put on my boots and be the same height as
No, that's okay.
Jen.
Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. I'm in my sewing room, and you've been watching, we have my friend Jen
Hey,
Young.
everybody.
There's my Jen. And I told you before that I was going to have a special guest, and this is my special guest. This is my daughter Melea. Melea, Chanel, Gabriella, Relu, Truelove, Richard. That's her name.
That's my name.
We have 9 boys.
No joke.
We have 9 boys and 1 girl, so I gave her all the names in the book. Now, the reason Melea is here, almost the same reason that Jen was here when last year. As you know, Jen didn't know how to quilt or anything like that, and I had made Jen a quilt. And then I got a text from Jen last December saying, I want to make a quilt. And the story goes that she's learning how to quilt, and she's my quilt buddy, and it's been wonderful.
So
because nobody in my life really has ever shared my passion or my joy of my hobby. And I understand that. I've told you that before. Everybody has their different hobbies, but it was so nice to have Jen. Well, I have only 1 daughter, and she's been a total disappointment.
It's okay. It's okay.
Only when it comes to quilting.
It's
She's only when it comes
I'm
to
a great
quilting.
daughter otherwise.
She's such a lovely daughter.
Fantastic.
She's
the best.
She's like my best daughter. She's my only daughter. No, she really is. But I got a text message from my daughter who said, I want a quilt. My cat loves your quilts, and I'm crazy, but he needs one, and I need one. She's a crazy cat lady.
Well, okay, so
Yeah,
I need
go
to
on.
explain this because I'm a very practical person.
I'm so not.
I am like my mom in a lot of ways, and I am so not like my mom in so many ways.
Yeah.
So my house is very colorful. I have a lot of stuff. It's like this, not as crazy, but it's like this. But I only have so much space in my house. My house is only like 700 square feet.
Yeah,
so
it's small.
I have one of everything. I either want it to be beautiful or practical. And if I don't think it's either of those, then I don't need it. So my thing is I have my TARDIS quilt, which I love.
I made her a TARDIS quilt.
I don't know if you can
a Doctor
probably
Who quilt.
put that
I could
in there.
probably put that, yeah.
I have my Paris quilt, which you made for after my
Yes.
European trip, and I love that thing so much. And I have just another random quilt. So I want a quilt for my cat, not for my cat, but for my bed. I want a quilt that fits on my bed because none of my quilts fit on fully my
What
bed.
size bed are we talking?
It's a full
bed.
It's small.
Okay. Oh.
So
Yeah.
not that bad.
She's very ambitious. She's very ambitious.
But
So
your
you
quilt
want to
would
make
fit on
it?
my bed.
You want to make it?
I want to try.
That's what I'm saying.
And that's why I was
Whoa. I thought she was commissioning you to make a quilt. She wants to make the quilt?
No, listen.
I do.
So listen. So this is the
I
text
think I
I get.
Okay, I'm so more...
I can totally do it because I know how to quilt because you've taught me how to
No,
quilt.
Jen,
I know
Jen,
what to do.
no,
but
what's your name?
Melea.
Melea knows how to sew.
this is why
Melea knows how to sew because I taught all of our children, our 9 boys and our daughter, how to sew. I've had basic sewing
things.
machines, and the older boys learned in home ec. They used to have home ec, and
I did
so
too,
and so they know how to work their way around a sewing
I can
machine.
make like a pillowcase.
Yes,
But that's like as complicated as I get. I'd make a square. Remember we made that square?
Yeah.
Or block.
Little
I guess it's
pillows,
called.
yes.
And then I made it into a sewing
A pillow.
So
I get this text from Melea saying I want to make a quilt for my bed, a full size bed.
yes.
Block party with Melea.
That's awesome. Block Party 2.0.
Yeah.
Block Party better because Jen's not in it. I'm just kidding. I just am jealous.
So I need to get a small sewing machine. Yeah, you have to do
She
that.
just wants to be part of all the fun.
I know.
I do. Because I watch the videos and I enjoy them, and I'm like, I should just go and do them.
Yes.
Because I can.
So this makes me very,
So,
very happy.
anyway.
Only because she wants to be a YouTube star and she doesn't want to sew. She just wants to be on
I just
camera.
want to be here.
Like that's what we all want to be.
That's
no.
awesome.
So she wants to learn how to sew. 'Sew. But then, because I was saying, well, what do you want to sew? She said, I want to make a quilt for my bed, a full-size bed. Yes. Block party with Melea. Block party 2.0. Yeah, we can.
I do.
So I need to get a small sewing machine. Yeah, you have to do that. So she wants to learn how to sew. But then, because I was saying, well, what do you want to sew? And this is my daughter. She's very she's very practical. I'm so not practical. So I said,
I make lists.
Yeah, she has a bullet journal. Yeah.
Don't make fun of
No,
my
she has a
bullet journal.
fabulous bullet journal.
Okay, so I cross stitch, and
Yes.
I'm really enjoying cross stitching.
Yes.
Okay.
So I want to do a wall hanging quilt with 9 blocks of cross stitching. So like I can do this
Awesome.
cross stitching part, and Mom can quilt it into a pretty wall hanging.
Or you can.
Or I
We can teach you how to
Yeah,
do that.
teach me how to do that.
Okay.
But I don't know how that works because Ada fabric is different.
Yes. Yeah, you wouldn't want it would be more of a wall hanging. You wouldn't want to.
Touch it. Or
You wouldn't touch it.
And that's not what I want to do.
Right. So you just
I
want a
want it
wall
as like
hanging.
art.
So that's fine.
Awesome.
The Ada cloth that you cross stitch on is obviously different weave.
Not
than-
100% cotton, you mean?
No, it is 100%
Oh,
cotton.
it is?
Or most.
Yeah.
I don't know what it
I
is.
don't know.
But like, yeah, like this little type of thing. You know, it's the special cloth.
See?
And we
Cats.
oh look, a crazy
I'm
cat.
crazy
I
cat
just
baby.
gave this. I just found this clearance, $4.99. It was a cheap little. Oh no, it's my. I spent a lot of money for that for my daughter. So she's
loves
gonna
me
make
so
this.
much.
She's gonna make this, but like 1 block canted cross stitch, 1
Okay.
block fabric. So we can
Yeah.
do that. So that's one project, and then you had a couple other projects.
Again, I'm very practical.
Yes.
I love Rifle Paper Company. I don't know if anybody knows
Rifle
what that is.
I don't
Paper
know what that
Company.
is. What is that?
It's a paper company. So literally. what it says.
RIFLE. Rifle
They're out
Paper.
of Florida, and Anna Bond, who's the owner, I love her. She's like an artist and just creates everything herself. So they came out with fabric, and the patterns that the fabrics are like these really loud, bold floral prints. They're very, I mean, of course I could probably find them in here somewhere, but I really, really love her patterns.
Okay.
So I want to make a quilt out of all of her fabric because
Awesome.
I just love her so much, and I like the fabric so much.
I'm
and
wondering if it's like, if any of you quilters know Cafe Facets has loud, bold prints.
Yeah,
I've never heard of these people, and so we'll
they're
look it
not.
up.
They're not a fabric company.
But they do fabric.
They do fabric.
But the fabric is probably very expensive a yard,
it's not too bad.
which is how much?
$12.99.
Oh, $12.99. That's it.
I don't think that's too expensive. How-
Oh,
is
okay.
that too expensive?
Well, when you start needing 8 yards of fabric, and they're poor,
No.
But the cat quilt's only going to be this big.
I know it'll be this big, so it's fine. It's fine.
she'll get half a yard.
It's a half yard.
Because their little house and their little
I just
walls.
need a little thing.
Yeah, but you said you want a quilt for your bed.
Not out of that fabric.
Oh,
I
not
want-
out of that. Okay, so this is another project. Okay.
You're going to be very busy.
I have so many ideas.
Okay.
I have so many ideas.
So Melea called up and she said, "I'm going to be your creative director."
I have everything
it.
organized.
Jen
I have like a vision for how the video should be.
So we just said, yeah, she's like, you have to do this on your video. You have to do that on your video, Mom. You have to do that. So Jen, so she's my creative director. Jen is my bodyguard at Quilt Show
For all quilt shows.
So they're not going to be here all the time. Don't worry. So anyway, so I just wanted to introduce you to Melea. We're going to be doing projects.
Yeah.
But you-
Mainly just the bed one.
Right,
Because
mainly
that's
the bed
one.
one, which is going
Winter
to be
time's
what?
coming. I really enjoy Dresden plate.
Dresden plate.
Right?
Oh,
That's-
nice.
That's the name?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Your Dresden plate that you have in the front room with it's the white background and
My
all the
first
colors.
quilt.
Your first ever
Aw,
quilt.
my first
I love
quilt.
that one.
Ah,
So I want to
look
make
at
that, but in my colors.
Which are gray and tan
White,
and
white, navy. My bedroom.
Navy! Oh, navy! We're going to do a navy!
I want to do blue because my mom only ever does red.
Grab it. Oh, listen to this. I gotta show you.
I'm so excited.
So you remember we did the block party, right? Okay, we did the block party, and I said, just for my own thing, that I was going to make a book. I was going to make a book, a Shutterfly book with chronicling or journaling my block party. Okay, which I did.
awesome.
Here is my book. Okay, I just showed Melea.
So exciting. I love this thing.
She really. Here's Jen's quilt. Here's my quilt.
In the back.
And in the very back, Melea goes.
Here's mom's quilt. Oh, wait.
Wait, the picture
This
was
one.
together?
No, here's mom's quilt.
So she's flipping through my book and she goes, "Oh yeah, that's
so pretty.
That's so pretty,
I love
Mom.
it.
I love that."
Oh, I love
that.
I love that one.
I'm like, that's Jen's quilt. And she goes, I love that quilt.
But I told her why. I explained.
And it makes sense.
Because it's blue. Emily's never seen a blue quilt.
And I never do
I don't think I have, actually.
Oh, stop. I've made a blue quilt. Because
Since this,
What?
she made one.
I've made a blue quilt because everybody was like, you don't make blue quilts. I just make what? What do I make?
Peachy,
Green,
green,
red,
Oh, shut up.
pink.
Pink and red.
Okay. So
Orange.
I have to step out of my box. Melea wants to make a blue, gray,
But not,
boring.
but not,
boring.
not
No.
boring.
Fabulous.
But not, super cool toned.
Ah.
I don't know.
Okay, so we
Or
have.
do you want it all color? Like,
I want it all colors, but I
Well,
don't want
yours
it to
was
be like,
yours was like blue.
yeah.
I don't want it to be like an explosion of rainbow.
Right.
But my house is all colors. I have a
Okay.
green front door.
Yeah, she has a
I
very
have
colorful.
a orange,
But your-
bright
your-
orange chair. Like, I love
But your
color.
bedroom is more subdued.
And I don't like it.
Ah.
I want to paint the back of my wall like,
Right.
I don't know,
Some color.
some color, and then
But in those colored ways.
Yeah.
So now the next thing is. So anyway, so we're gonna wrap this up. This
so are
is
you
just
going to come here and sew?
right.
well, because I don't have anything. Also, that's something. What is in a beginner sewing kit?
Yes.
Like, do I just go and buy a sewing machine? Like, I don't know.
Well, you need a sewing machine. You also need the tools. Remember, Jen
Yeah.
was saying I'll show you what we're going to get. I have a video. If you want to check my video on YouTube.
We did this already.
Yeah, we've done this already. Yes. So you have to go back and check
Sorry.
what the beginner quilter needs. You need your rulers
Okay,
and
yeah,
your rotary
cutter.
cutter,
Yeah, I can
your
see
mat.
that, I can see
Yeah. So those are you can get those beginning things because you have nothing.
I have scissors.
Oh, she has scissors.
That's what I started
Jen
with.
has scissors.
Fabric
scissors.
scissors. I have
Really
like
good.
I know,
fabric
you-
scissors.
yeah.
I have really
I
nice
did
fabric
too.
scissors
Okay,
too.
so
I stole
anyway.
them from Mom.
So I know
I
you
mean,
just
no, I
steal
didn't.
them from me. Anyway, so she needs to get that. You need to get a sewing machine if you're going to come.
No, I can use yours. So that I know that I like it.
So,
I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'll get a sewing machine.
okay. Well, here we go.
You don't have to give me a sewing machine. What? You bought a sewing machine?
For you.
What? Are you serious? Yay! Oh wait, hold on. Let me lift properly.
Now she has to
I
sew
have a sewing machine. What? Oh my goodness!
Ever.
That's
a nice
thank you,
one.
Mama.
Look at all those stitches.
Look, I don't. What is that?
What is that? 140 stitches?
I know.
54
She only has to. She only has
alphanumeric stitches? I don't know.
There's no turning back now,
You
Melea.
Wow. Oh, okay. I am so
You're
excited.
in.
What do you think?
I am so excited.
So I saw this machine.
Awesome.
I saw this is a long story. I got Melea a lovely machine. Oh, here we go.
See?
This is a Brother XR3340. It's a basic sewing machine.
That's all I need.
That's all she needs. You don't need 140 stitches. You need like one. You have to go. Yeah. So,
Okay,
just to go
straight
straight.
stitch. That's
So
all I
there, Melea is committed. She has to.
Okay, well now I'm really
She has
committed.
to.
Yay! I'll see you every week. No, I'm just kidding.
So we're gonna teach her how to use her sewing machine and start sewing with us when she
Awesome.
comes. Awesome.
So excited.
So, I
Mom,
Aw.
this is so nice. Thank
Oh.
you so much.
You're
That is
welcome,
really, really
darling.
sweet.
You're welcome, darling.
Thank you, Mama.
Anyway, we're going to wrap that up for now, and then we're going to figure out some other things to do. Malea's on our little creative team here. Jen's
Thinking
on
up
my,
ideas.
Yeah, she's going to think of ideas. So write in and tell us or tell Melea.
I'll organize it.
Yeah,
I'll go through all your comments
because
and,
because
and organize
people are
it.
saying, what are we going to do next?
Yeah, we keep saying, what are we going to do next?
Because I don't know if I want to do another block party.
Yeah.
Do you?
I would do it if you did it,
Oh,
but
if I did, yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
but
because you're a
you-
follower.
right. You're my leader.
I know. I don't know if I want to do that.
Right.
But somebody else said, "Oh, you're going to do another block party," which I was looking at it. That's a 6 month,
Right.
6 month project, which actually is very good because we're sort of floundering here.
Yeah.
We're not. We're like.
Well, we are working on things, but we're not finished.
We're not,
so-
and we're not. I'm not filming them because I've had company and the summer and the weddings and da. We've been really busy, but I'm thinking we might need another schedule like we did last year, starting like January 1st.
Like, what to
You
do?
weren't here every week, obviously. I filmed once a week on like a Friday, or I put it up on a Friday,
Yeah.
or put it up on Sunday. I would film during the week. So that was more organized. That I enjoyed because
Yeah.
it's a little bit all over the place. So, but I don't know if I want to do that. So, do you
Melea
have
will
any?
think of something.
Malea, you have to think of something.
I
Something
mean-
simple.
Oh, my quilt
Your quilt.
from beginning to end. Why not?
Starting January.
Starting January.
Starting now.
Oh, starting
Starting
now.
now.
I
Okay.
don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't let me. Don't
But
let
you
me
have
give
to-
up on this dream. I'm so excited. I can't just flounder. You know.
I know. You
Okay,
can't. I'm
sorry.
I'm
I need
taking
to
the
start
stinking
now.
sewing machine back.
Can.
If you-
But no, it's mine.
Malea's quilt.
Malea's quilt.
Because, like, I don't know how to do binding. Like I said, I only know how to make, like, basic blocks into a pillow.
So you
I
want
don't
to
know how
do
to do-
all? You
I
want
don't
to
know
do
how to do
all
everything.
Dresden plate?
I just like the way that looks. I don't know.
Okay.
I haven't, like, really looked into different
Okay.
Are they
kinds of
hard?
quilts.
We've never done one.
We haven't. I made a big.
You have. I've never done one.
I did a big wall hanging. I did 2 of them. Wall hangings.
Are they hard?
They're not hard at all.
No?
You do need
Okay.
a ruler. You need a special ruler, a special template, as it were,
Okay.
and then you sew them together. They're not, and then you applique it again.
Oh, okay.
You know, so it's not hard, a Dresden plate. Anyway, that's it for today. Malea's got her machine. She's committed.
Yay! I'm so excited.
She's so excited. We're excited. We don't have a clue what we're doing, but we'll figure it out. So follow us in my sewing room. My friend Jen and my daughter Melea.
Oh.
Who love quilting. Oh, you may love it.
I may.
Yeah,
Or
she-
may not.
I know.
Who knows?
My
I'm in.
Jen.
I've already started my next
She's-
I'm jealous, so I'm trying to be in.
She's committed. I know, but I have my daughter.
No.
Oh, it's
I'm
the
here.
best, the
I'm
best
here.
thing, the best
Yeah.
thing. So anyway, thanks folks for watching, and we'll see you
Bye.
later.
Bye.
Bye. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, Mom! Are you shocked? What in the world? That's awesome.
Do you love it?
I love it.
Isn't it
It
cool?
looks like professional. And scary.
It's
Like, what is all that? That's all that.
These are just all your different stitches.
Yeah,
in
and
your-
you-
and I can
really-
just program that in.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah. You
It's
don't
like a little
really.
computer.
It is a computer.
It is a
Awesome.
computerized machine. Yeah.
Wow.
Very awesome.